Welcome to lesson 8, where we'll practice some basic troubleshooting by intentionally causing an error. This exercise will show you how Kobiton and your script respond to common mistakes like incorrect desired capabilities. To demonstrate, I'm going to open my Appium script and change the device name to something that doesn't actually exist in Kobiton real device list. Let's say I entered Galaxy non-existent 2025 to force a mismatch. Next, I'll run the script again, just like before. In the console, you'll likely see an error indicating Kobiton couldn't find the requested device. It may say something like no available device matches your desired capabilities. This is a classic example of what happens if your capabilities don't line up with real devices. To fix this, I'll revert the device name back to valid one, like Galaxy S21. Then I'll save the file and rerun the script. This time it should connect to Kobiton successfully. This is helpful because in real projects you might accidentally type wrong device name, platform version, or forget to include your API key. Kobiton's error message usually points you to the root cause, so it's quick fix once you identify the mistake. Pro tip: whenever you encounter a failed test, review your capabilities and credentials first. They are often the easiest things to mistype or overlook. That's it for lesson 8. Up next, we'll wrap up our tutorial, so stay tuned for the conclusion and a quick quiz.